Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I am sharing chicken burgers recipe. In a chopper, add 1.5 boneless chicken breast, washed and chopped. Chop it finely. Transfer it into a bowl. Add salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 green chili chopped, 1 onion chopped, 1 tablespoon of chicken masala powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1.5 tablespoon of vinegar, chopped coriander leaves, 1/8 cup of breadcrumbs. Mix it. Add half tablespoon of chili flakes and mix. Take small portions of the chicken mixture in your palm and shape into round balls. Flatten to shape into patties. In a bowl, add flour and water. Mix to make a slurry. In another bowl, add breadcrumbs. Coat the patties with the flour and water slurry. Then coat with breadcrumbs. Heat oil in a pan and shallow fry the chicken patties. In a bowl, add mayonnaise, tomato sauce, black pepper powder and salt. Mix it. Cut the burger buns into halves. Apply the sauce on the burger bun. Add a lettuce leaf, sliced onion, cucumber slices, chicken patty, sauce, cheese slice, capsicum slice, the top part of the bun. Insert a toothpick in the center. Follow the same steps to make rest of the chicken burgers. Chicken burgers are now ready. Do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.